Hi, till now you are thinking. How long you will think? You are thinking, others are learning. And I am telling you, whatever we did till now, we have started our course and already we have completed the foundation course. In the foundation course, already you can see 23 to 24 classes I took for computer science and only few seats left because the offer was going on for 100 learners only. First 100 learners. Already more than 80 learners enroll our course. The course fee is 6,000. The offer price is going on 6,000 for 6 months. Paper 1, paper 2 combo both. And in this combo, whatever you are getting, in this combo you are getting the everyday 3 classes. 5:30 am, 6:30 pm I am taking class for computer science. 8 pm Thulasi ma'am is taking class for paper 1. Monday to Friday all these classes are going on. Saturday we are taking the group discussion and doubt clearing. Every month, every week, whatever doubts you are getting, your doubt will be clear. And after that, the group discussion will help you to interact with me through video call, audio, and after that, ultimately your personality development, your speaking skill, your talking power, everything will be increased. And then also, every weekend we are providing the mock test, subject wise, topic wise mock test. Whatever you are learning per week, every week there is the mock test. With 6,000 rupees, 6 months you are getting this everything. Paper 1, paper 2 classes, live classes, recorded classes, PDF, mock test, group discussion, doubt clearing, and after that, before ending means whenever we will end the complete course, then there will be the full length mock test also. We will start the practice courses also. PYQS every day daily we are practicing. My class, our class is going on like that concept, and with the concept question is going on. Just check it how it is the course going on, and till now if you are doing delay means it's your mistake. Whenever 100 will be done, then there can be the chance of price hike. So take your decision, start your preparation early, otherwise you have to think. Bye.